Hello, thank you for joining today. My name is Leah Swain. I'm Sales Director for Certum Solutions. And today I wanted to make a quick video and update you about the changes with QuickBooks Online Advanced and the backup and restore functionality. So for those who aren't aware, on January 9th, they changed where you locate the backup and restore feature. And I want to make sure everybody is taking advantage of that and knows how to turn it on, how to use it, and what it does. If you were using any of the other online softwares, Essentials, Plus, Simple Start, those do not have an automatic built-in feature for backup and restore. You would actually need to have a third-party application tied onto your QuickBooks Online in order for that functionality to work. So for the Online Advanced, that is built in. January 9th, they made the change so that you can only access that feature now through the gear icon. It is no longer available in the App Center. So let me share my screen and we'll take a quick look at what that looks like and where you can find it. Okay, so here we are in the QuickBooks Online Advanced trial. Again, this feature is available for Online Advanced. It is not available without a third-party integration for lesser versions of Online. The backup and restore capability, this allows users to revert company data to a specific point in time. You'll use this to fix errors or undo changes that you no longer want in the system. The backup automatically runs every 24 hours, or you can do it manually if you're about to make changes to your software and you want to make sure you have a backup available in case things go awry. So first, what you're going to do is go to your gear icon here at the top and go to your account settings if you have not already done so. This is where you're going to turn on your functionality. Go to Advanced and scroll down until you see backup. If backup is turned off, you will want to turn that on. You simply click on Edit and toggle the icon and then save your changes. So ours is already turned on. I'm going to cancel out of that and to go back. Okay, let's go back once more. So to make a manual backup, you will go now to the gear icon, and then you'll see here under your tools, backup company. You'll see right now it is queued for a manual backup. You can view this detail, see when it started, when it finished, what type of backup it was. So again, it is an automatic backup if you have the functionality turned on, but you can go in and set a manual backup, and then you would just click Run Backup to back up the software. It's going to ask you what kind of backup you need. There is incremental, which backs up the data that's changed since the last backup. So that's the fastest. A full backup is any data that QuickBooks has marked as changed, takes less time. And then a complete backup backs up everything through search or changes in the company. This is the longest. So we're going to go ahead and just select that we're doing a complete backup. And then it tells us you can run another backup after 72 hours. So we're going to it's showing now that the backup is in the queued state, and we'll say okay. So just be aware that you can force a manual backup every 72 hours. And it will automatically back up on its own every 24 hours without the manual backup. This area is also where you will go to restore a previous backup, which I don't have any yet. You can also make your company copies here. And then your cloud archive is there as well. That's for any exported company data. So hopefully you found this beneficial. Again, the backup and restore is still available in the QuickBooks Online Advanced. It's just now accessible through the gear icon. It is no longer available in the App Center. And again, it's for QuickBooks Online Advanced only. Third parties are required for any lesser online versions. I hope that this video has been beneficial for you. Please be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. And if you have any additional questions, you are always welcome to reach out to Certum Solutions. We're more than happy to help. Wishing you continued success. Have a great rest of your day.